Storytime Square! Let's leap into adventure! The Leaf Thief by Alice Heming and Nicola Slater. What a wonderful time of year! I am snug in my nest with a belly full of hazelnuts, and the sun is shining through my leafy canopy. Such lovely colors! Red, gold, orange. Red, gold, orange. Red, gold. Wait a minute! One of my leaves is missing. Where is it? It's not in here. It's not under here. Bird? What is the matter? Someone stole my leaf. Your leaf? Yes, one of my leaves is missing. My leaf looked a lot like that one. The one Mouse has. That is not your leaf, Squirrel. But how can you be sure? Mouse? Mouse, did you steal my leaf? No, this is my boat. See, Squirrel, it is perfectly normal to lose a leaf or two at this time of year, okay? Okay, thanks, Bird. See you tomorrow. The next morning. Oh, no, this is bad, Bird. What is the matter this time? More leaves have been stolen? Excuse me, Woodpecker, are those my leaves? No, they are my leaves, Squirrel. I spent ages collecting them. No one has taken your leaves, Squirrel. This happened last year, remember? Maybe. Why don't you go back to your nest and try to relax? Okay, thanks, Bird. Try to relax. Breathe in and out. Just relax. The following morning. This is a disaster. Bird, Bird, where are you, Bird? I'm here, Squirrel. Wait a minute. Are you the leaf thief? No, Squirrel, I am not the leaf thief. I will show you the leaf thief. Where are they? Because I've got a few things I'd like to say to them. Look around you. The leaf thief is everywhere. It shakes the trees and rustles the leaves. It even takes your hat. Do you see the leaf thief, Squirrel? The only thief is the wind. This happens every year in the autumn. Every year. The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away. They'll grow back again in the spring. Now, I'm going home. Please don't disturb me again. It was just the wind? The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away? Of course, no leaf thief at all. Silly me. I'm going to sleep well tonight. Bird! Someone has stolen the grass! Oh. The real leaf thief. As Squirrel learned, nobody is really stealing the leaves from the trees. Bird says, the only thief is the wind. But there is more to it than that. The wind can only blow the leaves away when the trees have started to shed their leaves. This happens in the autumn when the temperature drops, marking the change from summer to winter. Trees look very pretty in the autumn. Before the leaves fall, they turn from green to all sorts of different colors. Red, gold, orange. When they turn brown, the leaves are ready to fall from the tree. Not all trees shed their leaves. Only deciduous trees lose their leaves. Coniferous trees, such as evergreens, keep theirs. Autumn happens at different times across the world. In the northern hemisphere, autumn starts in September. In the southern hemisphere, it starts in March. Autumn isn't just about falling leaves. Other changes happen too. The daylight hours shorten and some birds and butterflies fly to warmer climates or migrate. Other animals, like bats and bears, sleep through the winter or hibernate. Squirrels don't hibernate, but they do begin to sleep a lot more. They also store nuts and other food for the colder months ahead.